What's up with the TAC fam? Look what just came in the mail right now from UPS. Told y'all, I just put this core. Remember that other core I showed y'all on the live the other night? I just screwed it on here just to show y'all, man. They look legit. See, this is old and used. This is my new core right here. I got two brand new ones still in the plastic in the back. As you can see, I got a dozen shells. After you blow up the grenade, what happens? This motherfucker splits. And it's just open, swollen, burst open. But the core is still reusable. As you can see, all the paint gone, everything. Want to keep your pins too. It should have like 2 pins in there. Yeah, like two pins. O-rings. I got 2 more pins in the back. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all these things right here, man. I'm gonna fill one up with some flour just to show you the explosion. In real life, grenades do not do big balls of fire. They blow the fuck up and shrapnel flies every goddamn where. Like it's a flash of a fire explosion, but it's not like a big giant ball of fire. Go look up on YouTube videos what hand grenades look like when they really blow up. The sound of this motherfucker sounds like a 410 shotgun, like a nice 45 caliber pistol going off. Like it's very fucking loud. Will it distract, deter, scare somebody? Hell freaking yes, it will. I got 12 of them. These right here, 25 bucks a piece for the cores. These are 3 for $5. So just this set right here would have been 30 bucks just to get me a core and 3 bodies. But you know, like I said, I got extra cores. You can see here, I got 2 in the back in the gun room. You know. Contact Modern Combat Sports, man. Use that promo code TACFAM, man. I will not lead y'all astray. Later on, I'm gonna do a video on these, man. Putting it together, man. Cause I can unscrew this right now, but you know what I'm saying? That's another video. I'm gonna unscrew it. I'm going out to go to Big 5, get me some CO2s right now. So you guys can get y'all a good video of one of these things blowing up tonight. If you go check out my YouTube shorts, you can see one of my security partner when I was doing security. He threw one. He thought it was a joke, and that motherfucker blew up hella loud. I was terrified. Like, hurry up and throw it. He already missing a finger. I didn't want to lose a finger and none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, they look intimidating. They got the weight. Oh, you can get a nice chunk on them. You know, as soon as you push that down, the pin just wants to drop out. So be careful on the spoon, man. Be very careful on the spoon. But yeah, it's tight, man. Look, spring loaded. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I think everybody should have these in their tactical arsenal, man. Think, live, and move tactical. So, this is just part 1, man. This is the unboxing of the Thunder Beast sound percussion grenades. Got skeleton. Skeleton looking like he belongs to the TAC fam. And I mean, it just splits this whole thing. One of these seams are gonna split wide open. They just blow the hell up. Like, I don't know if it's on this crease. I don't know how it does it. It splits like a motherfucker though, y'all. You know, I'm Big Tactical. I'm out here, man. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. My next video, it'll be coming out tonight of one of these blowing up. You know what I'm saying? I got 12 shells, so hell yeah, I'm blowing up one tonight. I'm going to give me a box of 15 CO2s. So I have some extra ones to give me some Umarexes. So I have some extra ones for my burner. As you can see, I got my burner, pepper ball in the head. My high impact rounds. You see the shiny ones. The darker, duller ones are Grimberg Jewel V2s. But those smooth ones are heavy impacts. And of course, I got them Max Tear Gas pepper balls, so you know, stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. This came in today right here too. You already know to use the promo code TACFAM. But if any of y'all want to pause this video, y'all could use that. You feel me? I don't know if it'll get you anything extra. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I get these all the time. Like they get an expiration date. I use it by the 30th of June, you know. So yeah, Modern Combat Sports, baby. Hit them up. Get your Thunder Beat collection on. They got them pineapple style and flashbang style. Let's go.